Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making barbecue potato chips in the microwave. I've seen a couple of recipes online and I really wanted to try it and see if it really worked, if they really get crispy in the microwave. So we're going to do that today. I'm going to do it two different ways. I'm going to be doing it with a paper towel or with parchment paper. So we'll get into that in a minute, but first I want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And I don't want you to miss a single episode. I post videos twice a week, so hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So let's get to the recipe here. Very easy, as are all my recipes, so let's get started. What we're starting with is a russet potato. I have a mandolin here. If you don't have a mandolin, you can use a knife and just slice these super thin. And then I'm going to season it up with some onion powder. I've got some smoked paprika. I've got some granulated garlic. And of course, a little Himalayan salt. So the first one I'm going to do is going to be with the paper towel. But first I'm going to cut the end off this potato and get going on my mandolin. And I start off like this, and then when I get smaller, I use the guard. Don't want to have any injuries in the kitchen. Okay, that's good for a start. So let's put these on a plate. I've got a plate with paper towels. So I'm just going to lay them out here. And then let's season them up a little bit. Start with a little salt. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of granulated garlic. And you can put whatever, spices on here you would like. Let's see, there it goes. And then a little smoked paprika. I feel like this is what's gonna help give it that barbecue-y kind of a flavor, a little smokiness. So we'll sprinkle a little on there. And then I'm gonna pop these in the microwave for about 4 minutes and we'll check them. Depending on the strength of your microwave, it could be anywhere to 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna start with 4 minutes because mine is a little bit lower power. So I'll check back with you in a few minutes. So here they are after 4 minutes. What I don't like is that they stick to the paper towel, but they're definitely crispy, but I think you need to take these off while they're still hot. All right, I'll work on these in a minute. Let's do our parchment paper ones and see if they stick less. So here we go, we'll put these on. We're gonna season these up the same way. Little salt, onion powder, granulated garlic, and then my little bit of paprika. Do the kind of spices you like. If you want to put some cayenne pepper on there, that could be fun. All right, let's put these in for 4 minutes. So here are the parchment paper chips. Now these took 5.5 minutes, where the paper towel chips only took 4 minutes. I think the paper towel helps get the moisture out, but these come right off the paper, so I would rather cook them for a little bit longer and have them not having to peel. I mean, not that that's bad, but I really don't want to eat paper towel. So let's give these a try. So here we have the paper towel chip, crispy, tastes delicious. Then we have the parchment paper one. Crispy, just as delicious. So I think The flavor is the same, but the ease of getting them off the paper wins with the parchment paper. So that's going to be my method of choice, but give it a try. Try both ways and see how it works for you. And these would definitely hold up in a dip, so give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.